He tried to grab something, but his arm got caught as the machine closed. Machines with moving parts must have safety locks and sensors, because the human body has no spare parts. Always follow safety rules. 1 second of carelessness can change a life forever. A near miss is a wake-up call, not a stroke of luck. Recently, a factory worker stood on a moving conveyor. When the system started, he fell, luckily escaping with only minor injuries. But this incident could have been fatal. Remember, conveyors and machines are not meant to bear human weight. Always use lockout/tagout, LOTO, before inspection, cleaning, or repairs. Make sure every worker is trained on safe operation and emergency procedures. Post clear warning signs around moving equipment, and conduct regular safety audits to prevent future accidents. One careless moment can change a life forever. Stay alert. Stay safe. Safety vest and unsafe stacking can be fatal in a recent factory incident. Tall stacks of rice bags collapsed while workers were standing below. Heavy bags rained down, and in that moment, no one knew if the workers were alive or trapped under the load. Key safety practices for stacking. Keep stacks stable, interlocked, and within safe height limits. Never allow workers to stand under or near unstable stacks. Use a solid base, proper spacing, and clearances. Carry out regular inspections to catch risks early. The lesson: poor stacking isn't just untidy, it's deadly. Stability and inspections save lives. Follow at safety_public.